I cannot tell you how excited I am that Nuwave just gifted me their Forever Smart Air Purifier. By forever, what they mean is that you never have to get another filter for this. Its filter is washable. It's a 7-stage filter, and I am so excited to put that to the test as I have air purifiers throughout my home, and the ongoing cost of replacing the filters on those definitely adds up quite a bit over the years. So in this video, I am going to unbox this, fully set it up, including setting up the app, and then test it in my home over the coming weeks. So you can really see my full experience with the Nuwave Forever Smart Air Purifier. Well, let's get to it. Now here's how it comes out of the box. I love that it has wheels. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. From the pictures, I thought this would be a little more oversized, even though it is focused on function over form. It's still a sleek little box. They say this is the most eco-friendly air purifier on the market today, specifically because of that reusable filtration. And it is unique amongst most air purifiers as it does not release any negative ions. And then it is Energy Star certified, carb certified, and it does not produce any ozone. So let's check this out because now I'm even more excited. Now before I can use it, obviously I need to take off all of the excess tape. And once you get off all the tape and the stickers, you're not finished. You actually do need to open up the back because you need to remove the plastic from all the filters. And this is beyond exciting. The exterior filters, or I removed the plastic on one of them and not on this one, are your stainless steel filters. These are going to get any of the large particles that could be allergens like cat hair and dander. And these clearly say on them that you can wash them with warm water. So really cool there. And you just slide it back on in. And then the same with the left side. And then you get the BioGuard filters. These are so cool. Now what these are doing is changing the charge of the particles so it can capture down to 0.1 microns. And these are also washable, and you have one on each side. Then you have your ozone emission remover filter. So this is taking care of all those VOCs. That is so cool. This one is much more hive-like. This one you cannot wash. It says do not get wet. Clean with a dry cloth or soft brush. And this one you do need to replace, but every 20 years. So this is really built to last. And then on top of those 6 filters, these biofilters are actually repeated with the center 360 degrees biofilter. Now these, just like the other filters, are 8,000 V filters. It's washable, and between this filter and the rest of the filters, Nuwave promises that this removes 100% of particles down to 0.1 micron in 100 minutes. That's amazing. So very cool. I am really impressed. So those are all your filters. And then you just close it on back up. Now here it is on, ready to go. You can see the lights are green. That means my air is good. This odor light changed color one time. And I did want to point out that there are 2 sensors here. This is your dust sensor that you will need to clean out with a Q-tip from time to time. And this right here is your odor sensor. So this one to clean, you just want to lightly vacuum it if it gets any dust in it. And past that, it's super clean. Right now it is on low fan and I cannot hear it at all. And it's looking really nice and clean. So let's go over these buttons first. Now the first button is my favorite button on these. With auto mode on, it is going to adapt the fan speed based on the air quality. But there are 2 other modes here. Ultimate clean is kind of cool in that it will actually dramatically increase the fan speed if it notices that the air is getting low quality. So instead of it just picking up as normal with Ultimate Clean, it will actually go into turbo mode. So it's going to really pick up if it notices any decrease in air quality. And then I can hold down Ultimate Clean to go into eco mode. Now in eco mode, it has turned itself off completely, except that it is still detecting the air quality. So the moment the air quality goes down, this will turn back on and then it will start running. So that is actually really, really cool because it means it's not running all the time, only when you actually need it. I'm gonna put it back to auto though, just so we have it on. And you can see the colors that's going through as it turns back on. Now flow angle is just the flow of these angles at the top. So I can press that and change what angles they blow at. Really nice and simple. You can just choose your flow angle. Where I have this set up, I think I'll keep it like this because I think that'll be the nicest setup for me. And if you want to mute it, you'll just hold down flow angle for 2 seconds and it'll turn on mute. Now the next one is fan speed. I want to test that in a minute with the recorder next to it so you can really hear it. So we'll go through that. And then if I hold this one down, it will go into sleep mode. And in sleep mode, as you can see, all the lights turned off and it will continue to run at whatever fan speed you set it at before you put it into sleep mode. And then you have timer, and you can choose from a half hour all the way up to 12 hours on how long you want this to run. And then finally you have turbo mode, and this is going to run it at its highest speed. So now let's listen to the sound. So right now it is at the lowest fan speed. And I can hear it only because I'm sitting right next to it, but otherwise it is basically silent. Level 2 is just a little louder, still really, really nice. And then level 3 is when it starts really picking up. Level 4. Level 5. You may notice that it's actually shaking the camera. It's so strong. So I'll show you how strong it is too in a moment. But level 6. And I would say that after level 3, all the rest of the levels are very serious, really designed to clean your air quickly. But I want to test turbo as well. I'm actually going to tip it away before doing turbo so it doesn't make my camera shake, and then turn on turbo. And I hope you could hear that. The main thing with turbo is just how powerful it is. That is quite some flow. Let me see if I can show you that as well. Okay, we're gonna test them all with a tissue now. This is level 1. Very, very mild. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Level 5. Level 6, and turbo. So it has really nice airflow. When I let go of the tissue at turbo, it went about 4 feet, almost 5 feet away. And I think it has impressively low sound for the power. And I love that the first few fan speeds are super quiet. Let's set up the app. Now the app is called Nuwave Connect. It's available in Google Play and the App Store. Set up your account and then you're in, and it just wants me to add device. And I do need to get this into pairing mode, so I'm gonna hold down the auto button until the Wi-Fi is on, and then it immediately found it. And its official name is the OxyPure E1000. So I'm gonna hit add. And then it's going to ask me to enter my Wi-Fi information. And now it's connecting. And we're in. Here is what it looks like for air quality and odor. Those are 2 different trackers. And this really is quite straightforward. I see all the same options as I see on the device. So nothing particularly different here, except that I could put it into sleep mode if I'm not at home, things like that. I actually wish this was more advanced. I was hoping that it would actually let me track my air quality and odor over time, see the differences. I can schedule it to turn on, off, go into automatic, ultimate clean, turbo, and sleep from the schedule section. So that's nice to see. So I'm not that impressed with the app, but I am very impressed with the Nuwave itself. I am going to see if I can trigger the Nuwave to clean right now, change the air quality, and see if the app changes while I do that. So what I'm gonna do is just spray some dry shampoo in the air, and there it goes. You can see that it's noticing that there's an odor, and it's picking up immediately. It went all the way up to fan speed 5. And now it's telling me that my air quality is bad too. And on the app, it changed color as well. The air quality and odor lit up. So that's good to know that it does tell you. It's not the easiest to see, but it is there. The air quality has gone back down to clean. So the air is good now, but the smell of the dry shampoo is still strong, and I can still smell it as well. So it's gonna take a little while longer for it to get the smell out of the air. That is so cool that it's adapting to both air quality and odor. And now it's slowing down. That is really impressive. So now I've put it where I usually have my other home air purifier. And so I'll test it for the week. And this can purify up to 2,002 square feet, which is actually larger than the square footage of our home. So this is substantial, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how it does and how it maintains not only the quality of our air, but removing odors from our air as well. So I'll be back. Now it's been a week. I've gotten my family's opinions. I have cooked near it, burned candles, really put it to the test. And here's my experience. The number one pro, without question, is that it purifies my home beautifully. Sometimes with all the other air purifiers in our home, we'd come in the door and the house would still smell musty, especially in the winter when we're not opening windows. Since I've had the Nuwave in the living room, and that is a spot where I normally have an air purifier, there is no musty smell when you go outside and come in. It just smells so fresh, so clean. And in automatic mode, it is exceptionally responsive. If I do anything that triggers it, it triggers in about 30 seconds to 90 seconds. So there's like the smallest gap while it's monitoring the air, but then it kicks right in, it cleans my air, and it adjusts down very fast. So whenever there's a burst of bad air quality, it really takes care of it, and the rest of the time, it's keeping my home so much cleaner. And while I didn't need to use it, I absolutely love the ultimate clean mode. The idea that I could use this in one of my kids' rooms when they have a cold and really keep everything at bay, keep the air clean. That's amazing. I have reviewed all the credentials on this. It truly does remove pretty much everything, 99.99% of everything in your air. There may be some things that it's not monitoring and reporting for, but the reality is down to 0.1 microns is really impressive, and I feel really, really good about using this in my home. This is the kind of air purification everyone needs. That said, I do have some cons. My main con is that it's just a little bit more industrial looking, and I wish there was a way to just turn off the lights, because it gets pretty bright when all the lights are going at night, and it's a little distracting to have something glowing in your home. Now there are two ways currently to get rid of the lights. One is using sleep mode, but with sleep mode you're also setting the fan speed, so it's not going to automatically ramp up and down if air quality changes. That's perfect for sleep, and I think sleep mode is a perfect mode, but it doesn't work for what I want, as I want that automatic pickup when it senses any air quality issues and then going down when it doesn't. And then eco mode also turns off the lights, but it also basically turns off the entire machine, which is not ideal for me. But in eco mode, it should turn on if the air quality becomes bad. I don't know what level of bad eco mode requires to turn on because I could never get it to turn on. I had a candle running next to it for 10 minutes and the eco mode never triggered. So I may have a faulty machine or I just didn't set up something correctly, but eco mode disappointed me. And then I do feel like the app is a bit of an afterthought. While it is really useful when I'm not at home to turn on the air purifier, but I really wish the app would provide all of my air quality reporting. It's very clear that this air purifier is tracking my air quality, so I wish I could see that throughout the day and be able to make adjustments based on what it sees. But I would say that all my complaints are minor and they could actually be fixed with a firmware update and an app update. All I really want is for the lights to turn off, for eco mode to be more sensitive, and maybe for a better app. When it comes to the device itself, I cannot get over that air quality purification, how clean my room smells, how quickly it responds in auto mode, and the 7-stage filtration is off the charts, not only in the quality of the air purification it can provide, but also in the fact that I do not have to purchase HEPA filters anymore. And the fact that it works up to 2,002 square feet is standout. I definitely recommend the Nuwave Forever Smart Air Purifier. It truly is amazing. It has a few minor complaints from me, but when it comes down to it, the things that really matter, it checks all the boxes beautifully in a way that I have never seen in any other air purifier I've tested. This is standout.